To control the boat with just one line, prepare the midship spring line and prepare the fenders on the side that you want to dock. Maintain the speed, engine forward. As you are approaching your dock, remember to reduce the speed. Also, as you are close, engine neutral. Now time to easy helm to the port. Be ready to reverse easy to slow down the boat. And as you are closer, helm more to the port and reverse until you stop. Now it's time to secure your midship spring line. As you secure it, fix it around the cleat, and you can start with option number 1 to reverse, or if wind is already pushing you back. In that case, your stern will tend to go to the dock and your bow out of the dock. But since you have a pivot point in the middle, it will never open completely and you have it under control. Then we have an option number 2, which is if you use an engine forward or if wind is pushing you forward. So in this case, you put an engine forward and you helm to the port. In that case, your prop wash is pushing the stern to the dock and the bow outside of the dock. But again, since you have a midship line in the center, it will actually hold the boat on the place.